Karibu sana mtazamaji na msikilizaji wa FM Show KE popote ambapo unatutizama ukiwa kwa sasa. Ni taarifa ambazo zimelivunja taifa nyoyo kwa jumla, ikiwemo ni wasanii pamoja na waenezaji wa Injili ambao wamejiunga pamoja katika kuomboleza kifo cha mwenda zake aliyekuwa moja kati ya makasisi tajika zaidi nchini Kenya, Bishop Allan Kiuna kutokea katika kanisa la JCC Jubilee Christian Church ambalo lililopo kaunti ya Nairobi main branch iliyopo pale Parklands na pia ile ingine iliyopo eneo la Thika. Allan alipata kuiaga dunia leo. Kumbuka alikuwa ndiye mmewe Reverend Kathy Kiuna, also one of the servants of God that has been spreading the gospel for a very long time. Ila kwa sasa tunapata kuwasomea statement ambayo imeweza kuachiwa na familia pamoja na Reverend Kathy Kiuna pamoja na kanisa la JCC kulingana na kile ambacho kimetokea na maneno yao kuhusu kifo cha Bishop Allan Kiuna. Allan Kiuna amekuwa ni kielelezo chema kwa jamii yetu na pia amekuwa ni motivational and an inspiration point to our generation. Press statement posted by Reverend Kathy Kiuna and the JCC Church together with others ambao wawili ni Reverend Kathy Kiuna na Bishop Allan Kiuna. Bishop Allan Kiuna pia kwa ukurasa wake wa kijamii aliweza kuachia video about 10 hours ago before his demise was revealed. Now the press statement. It is with heartfelt condolences that today we announce our beloved Bishop Allan Kiuna has gone to be with the Lord. Bishop Allan Kiuna, the General Overseer and Founder of Jubilee Christian Church, was an extraordinary man who touched the lives of many, had a great passion for ministering, and not just locally but globally. His unwavering faith, compassion, and dedication to the church and community have left the indelible mark on all who knew him. He was not only a spiritual leader but also a loving husband, a father, grandfather, and a friend. As a church and as a family, we appreciate the outpouring of love and support, especially from our church family. We kindly request some privacy as we go through this challenging time of mourning and reflection. More information will be provided regarding funeral arrangements in the coming days. We are organizing services to honor Bishop Allan Kiuna's memory and legacy at JCC main branch in Parklands, Nairobi. Yeah, and a lot of messages are flowing in from different people in regards to the passing of Bishop Allan Kiuna. I can see Zed Kananu says, Poleni sana, may God Almighty grant you peace and comfort. It is well. Pika na Riach wanasema this one is at breaking. DJ One's official anasema Jesus Christ, I'm shocked and saddened. Rest in glory Bishop Kiuna, your impact and legacy will never be forgotten. Agadat Nkiroti anasema this is a hard one. Go well dad. Grace Ngina anasema hey God, so many questions here, it is not well. Dance with the angels. Bishop Zahara Blazing anasema oh my God, sleep on God's general. Chero Fish anasema rest in peace daddy. Victoria Mosiuka anasema my condolences, I'm praying for the family, friends and JCC Church. May God comfort you all. Tunasema also may you rest in peace God's general. You did your part, now you've rested, you played your role, won a lot of souls for Christ. Go well dad, we love you but God loved you most. Subscribe to FM Show KE.